car buyers continue to make smarter choices when it comes to deciding on a pre-owned vehicle. And now, with so many options on the market, how do you make the best choice? Hi, I'm Joanna Tuttle with this Automotive News Breaking Update. Champion Automotive has climbed to the top of our rankings with their lifetime powertrain warranty on pre-owned vehicles. It's a part of their checkered flag pre-owned vehicle package, which includes a host of other benefits as well. But the headline continues to be the lifetime powertrain warranty, and for good reason. No one else in the area comes close to this protection offered by Champion. It all adds up to the best pre-owned vehicle for your needs, along with the peace of mind that a lifetime powertrain warranty brings to the table. The lifetime powertrain warranty, as you can see, is comprehensive. Coverage includes engine and transmission, drive axles for 2- and 4-wheel drive, plus all seals and gaskets. It even provides complimentary towing coverage when a covered component fails. The news is already spreading in the community, and these pre-owned buyers are believers.
So, the lifetime warranty was really the main factor in really looking at where I wanted to be. And knowing that Champion is close and they have a great selection of vehicles, I'm able to get the lifetime warranty. It's a win-win for all of us involved.
It really ensures that we are taking care of ourselves in the future, and knowing that Champion can give us that with a lifetime warranty really just makes me feel so much better about going there.
I ended up at Champion first because I wanted a great selection of vehicles. And then you add on top of that the lifetime warranty, signed, sealed, delivered, count me in. My family and I, we want to stay protected and we want to be safe. And when you have a lifetime warranty like that, if any issues, come up with the vehicle, we can get it fixed.
I'm the type of person that wants to drive my car for the next 10 years, and Champion has given me that opportunity with that lifetime warranty, and knowing that I have a reliable car and that Champion's going to take care of me in the long run.
The choice for pre-owned buyers is now clear with Champion's lifetime powertrain warranty on pre-owned vehicles. For more information, more special offers, and a complete inventory list, check out the website or stop by a Champion store. I'm Joanna Tuttle with this Automotive News Breaking Update.